If you ship AI in 2026, enterprise customers increasingly ask whether you run an AI management system, not just whether you have a model. ISO IEC 42001 is the international standard for exactly that. It defines requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an artificial intelligence management system, or AIMS. For product teams, ISO 42001 is not a checklist for auditors alone. It is an operating model. It connects business context, leadership accountability, risk-based planning, controlled operation, performance evaluation, and continual improvement across the AI lifecycle. The standard follows the familiar Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. Plan covers context, leadership, and risk planning. Do covers resources, training, and operational controls for AI systems. Check covers monitoring, internal audit, and management review. Act covers nonconformities, corrective action, and continual improvement. Product teams live mostly in do and check, building features, measuring behavior, and producing evidence. Clause 4 is context. Who are your stakeholders? What internal and external issues affect AI use? What is the scope of your aims? Product teams contribute system boundaries, use case inventories, and dependency maps. Clause 5 is leadership. AI objectives must align with organizational strategy. Roles and responsibilities must be assigned, including who approves releases and who owns AI risk. Without named ownership, AIMS documentation becomes shelfware. Clause 6 is planning. Identify AI risks and opportunities, define controls, and plan how to address them. For product teams, this translates into risk registers tied to features, data flows, and evaluation criteria before production. Clauses 7 through 9 cover support, operation, and performance evaluation. This is where governed testing, logging, incident handling, and management review evidence matter. In 2026, buyers expect traceability from policy to test run to release decision. Clause 10 is improvement. When evaluations fail or incidents occur, feed corrective actions back into planning and operation. That closed loop is what makes an AIMS credible. Framework alignment is not certification. ISO 42001 provides structure. Your organization must implement it. AiVELabs builds AIMS literacy through learning paths mapped to ISO 42001, NIST AI RMF, and the EU AI Act. AiQualTest operationalizes evaluation with governed test runs, policy gates, and audit-ready evidence packs. Start with one AI system in scope, one risk assessment, and one repeatable evaluation workflow. That is how product teams turn ISO 42001 from a procurement question into daily practice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for weekly AI governance and evaluation content. Visit www.aiqualtest.com for AiQualTest, learn.aiqualtest.com for AiVELabs, or email contact.aiqualtest@aiqualtest.com.